For staying with us, time for business, and the government has signed 20 contracts worth 11.6 billion Kenya shillings to expand electricity access in underserved areas. The deal will establish solar mini-grids and standalone systems powering schools, healthcare centers across the country. Here's Jasmine Wamboi with that report.
In line with the government's ambition of lighting up the entire country, 20 new contracts have today been inked in the presence of President William Ruto. The contracts worth over 10 billion shillings were signed between private contractors, Kenya Power and the Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy Corporation, REREC.
Today, we signed contracts worth 11.6 billion to extend electricity to communities that have remained on the fringes of development for far too long.
This initiative will see the construction of 113 solar-powered mini-grids across 12 counties. This include Turkana, Marsabit, Samburu, Isiolo, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, Tana River, Lamu, Kilifi, Kwale and Narok.
It sends a clear message that no Kenyan, regardless of location or background, will be left behind in our nation's march to progress. Our mission is to extend modern, reliable, and affordable electricity to every home, school, and business, from the most remote villages to the busiest urban centers.
The project, the government says, will also see standalone solar systems installed in public schools, health centers, and administrative offices.
We expect construction to begin in the next 3 months, because immediately we are doing what we call site handover, and then immediately after, construction will be able to begin, and we anticipate construction to end by June 2026. That is for the mini-grids and the standalone solar systems.
However, a section of Kenyans have raised concerns over the dependability of solar as a source of reliable power.
When we have low solar output, those mini-grids are going to come with small generators that can be able to generate some little bit of power and ensure that the batteries are always up to optimum level.
The completion of this project, the government says, is expected to have a far-reaching social and economic impact for these regions.
We have seen schools that start and grow and improve even in terms of performance when you bring electricity to them. Hospitals, there are some drugs that you cannot have in hospitals unless you keep them in fridges. So women are coming together, they have portion meals, we have the young people opening small businesses like welding.
This project is financed by the World Bank under the Kenya Off-Grid Solar Access Project for underserved counties. Communities in arid and semi-arid areas here in the country have for decades been left out of power connections. The president now says their time is here. Jasmine Wamboi, Citizen TV, Nairobi.